Betafpv sent me this Air 65 to review, but I don't really have any interest in doing a review, so I'm going to fly it through some really difficult tricks. I'm going to try to learn a new trick, and I know I'm going to beat the crap out of this thing, and just take you along with me during the process, learn a new trick and trying until I get something right. So let's see if you can make it through a few hundred crashes. I'm not going to mess with it, I'm going to bind to it and fly it as is. For the trick that I want to try, I want to fly underneath my legs, both legs, and do a power loop, and then fly the second power loop. I'm going to go under both legs and then I come up, but I got to land the power loop through my legs and out. It's going to be really hard because this is a really tight gap to hit. Like it's a super small gap and really difficult. So I expect this to take quite a few tries and I'm going to beat the crap out of this drone. But what better way to test this Air 65 than with a really difficult trick where I'm going to crash 100 times. Let's see how it does. Oh, it's harder than it looks. Oh. Oh, that knocked the camera for. We'll reboot here and see if we get it back. It didn't seem like it was a hard hit. Let's see. It came back clean. All right, let's keep going. Oh, I almost had it. Got excited when I hit it. Ugh. I keep moving my legs closer together to protect myself. That makes the trick harder. Oh, I had it. This trick is way more difficult than I expected it to be. I thought it would be just like a cube gate, which it sort of is, but like my legs are more of a triangle. So one side is smaller than the other, and it's smaller than a normal cube gate would be. It feels like I'm hitting a hole this big, but I'll get it. I'll eventually get it. That's a lot of dog hair. Quads with receding hairlines can't fly as well, so make sure you add lots of dog hair to the props, and that will help them fly better. So far, this Air 65 has been taking a beating through it too, so it's good. Good little quads holding up. Hey, yes, it wasn't as clean as I wanted it, but that went through. I made it through. Oh, that felt like the one. Felt like it was gonna be the one. Oh no! I mean, I made it through. Ugh, dang it! I'm coming through out of that so fast. It's hard to go up, back up, and see it again. Oh, there it is. There it is. Just need to do. I don't even know if I hit the other trick that I wanted to in there, but that was good. That was a really clean one. Yes. All right, now we got to do the same thing with Maddie's. Instead of back flip, we got a front flip. It's like double blind. Oh, almost had that. Oh, I hit the chair thing. There we go. Ah. Oh, that was really close. Felt the wind on my crotch. Yikes. Okay, yes, I got the power loop combo down. and that feels pretty successful. Took quite a few tries, but we got it done. Nice. On to the next trick. I don't know if I've ever done a power loop like this with a full roll at the top. I don't think I ever really have, so this is kind of a new trick for me, and I'm putting the durability of this little quad to the test, this Air 65. Interesting. I want to do a Barani. Ouch. Oh, ooh, that one actually really hurt. It's more like a rolling Barani. Oh, that was a crash reel, if there was anything. My gosh. Ah, that was a hard hit. Almost. Sometimes these tricks, you just have to keep going and going and going. Oh, look it found itself a friend. Oh, look it needed it too, because it's busted the canopy. It's alright, I'm gonna keep flying with the busted for now. I knew that canopy was gonna break. I've used those canopies before, and they break pretty easy. Like that. Alright, looks like we'll need to replace that canopy. Quick fix. I used to have these canopies for all my builds, honestly, because they were really lightweight and you could put them on most cameras. And I just started breaking them too much, so I swapped to TPU. Hey! Nice. Okay, so I did some of those power roll things, power loop rolls. I think this trick is going to be the hardest one yet. I don't know what to call it. It's like an eject flip natty roll. Stellar reentry, is that what they call this? Stellar. Alright, so I want to go up through my legs, do a stalled front flip, and then come back through my legs and out. And I know from trying this many times before while racing and the last seasons of iGal, this is hard. I expect this one, I don't know, I might not even get this one. Well, knowing me, I probably will just go until I get it, but I did it! No way! Yes! I did not think I'd get that one. Okay. If I was to change anything, but for sure I would change the canopy out. And once this one breaks, I I think I have one other one like this that I might use, but I'll probably just jump straight to a TPU print because they just got enough flex that they don't break. They just kind of bend and shift. But if you can't 3D print stuff, these canopies are fantastic. They're lightweight, they're super versatile. You just have to have a higher quantity of them for when they crack, or some glue handy and time to let it dry. The other thing I'm not really a fan of on this build is the camera. It's fine, it does its job, but I do want, especially if I was racing with this, I want a wider field of view. And I think unfortunately this might be the widest field of view you can get right now with analog cameras. I've got all these old Pico Razor cams, and these are 1.6 mil lens versus these, which I'll have to look it up. I think these are 1.8. So these Pico Razors are quite a bit wider, and it makes a massive difference when you're racing, or if you're doing an IGOW competition, you need to keep something in view, like a self-trippy or something like that. That wider camera really makes a difference. But you can't get these anymore, and I don't think there's any other like small one that has that wide of a field of view. So that might be as good as you get. But the other piece of this camera that I'm not a fan of is it exposes too bright all the time. So I would rather have it be just a little bit darker and keep some of the really bright stuff more visible than have it exposed like it does. It's close, but it's just like too bright in general. But besides that, like this is fantastic. I don't know why for this size and style, I don't know why at this point I would ever buy any parts to do like a custom build. Just get one of these, fly it till it breaks, repair it, and keep going. It's everything that I've gone after or wanted in a little quad. So some good stuff.
Bro, your controller needs to be more up if we want to see it. If we want to see the whole thing.
I can maybe back up a little bit.
Okay, we can see a lot of your controller now.
Okay.
That's perfect.